Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. Again, sorry for the bad audio. I'm currently away from home. I'm away on holiday. So just until the 26th, the audio on these videos may be a bit poor. But anyway, to get straight into the video, we're going to be looking at MMAT, Meta Materials. What are we looking at going forward? So we did do analysis on this a while back. We basically did catch this top. And we said our target was around 120 because, again, that is our statistical mean. So now we come into this level around 120 to 93 or 94 cents. Like we said in that original analysis video, between this level, we are not looking to trade. The reason for that is, again, this is considered fair value. We don't want to be looking to trade within fair value because, again, we're not really buying at an extreme, so it's harder to trade or kind of pick a direction because, again, it could go either direction. It's a lot more of a gamble within kind of that purple area, which is our fair value area. So instead, we wait for a break either side. So if we start breaking back to the upside, I'd flip a bit more bearish on it coming into around 140 to 157. But considering we've hit these levels recently, yes, maybe you can get some quick kind of day trades and scalps, but nothing I would be looking to swing. I would only be looking to swing once we kind of break into a newer high. So coming into the 275 and above, these would be my short bias levels where I would actually hit them short, more as a swing trade, because again, this is more likely to kind of catch these tops. The ones in between, so the 190, the 236, the 242, yes, these can be traded, but I would only really use them as day trades, just considering we've hit them so recently. But the 275 and the 290, these would be what I'd be looking at as swings, or definitely option trades could definitely be good within these areas. Now, which will probably be the easy trade is if we actually end up breaking to the downside, coming into 80 cents. Again, looking for kind of a scalp long. Again, probably just a day trade. And the reason I'm looking more as a day trade is there's only really about 10 cents in it. So yes, it's still quite, over a 10% move. But on these kind of stocks, they can be quite volatile. I don't want to have too much risk on the table, so that would definitely be a day trade. But if we break below that, we come into the 45 and the 39 cents. These are where I'd be looking more at swings because, again, the high probability that they work out because basically the levels are so close together. But also you can get really good risk to reward. If our target's going to be around 90 cents, we could literally risk about 5 to 10 cents on the trade, get some really good risk to reward. And that's really what I'm looking at on Meta Materials going forward. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.